We'll guide you through how to generate a ClickUp API key. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ClickUp website. Log in using your credentials to access your account dashboard. Once you're in, look towards the upper right corner of the screen and click on your avatar or profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to your personal settings page. Here, you need to find the section labeled Integrations on the left-hand sidebar. Click on it and you'll see different integration options. Look for the API section and click on API Tokens. This is where you can create a new API key. Click on the Generate button to create a new API key. You'll see a newly generated API key appear on the screen. Make sure to copy this key and store it securely, as you'll need it to access ClickUp's API for your applications or integrations. Remember, API keys are sensitive information, so do not share them publicly. If you ever feel that your API key has been compromised, you can always come back and regenerate a new one by following these same steps. And that's it. You're all set up with your ClickUp API key. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.